Storyline tutorial, create a drag and drop on image page. Hi there, this tutorial will explore the process of creating a simple drag and drop on image example in Articulate Storyline 360. If you'd like to explore this example on your own, you can download the source file for free by clicking the link in the description box below. We'll use Storyline 360 for this tutorial, but the freebie is compatible with Storyline 2 and Storyline 3 as well. Drag and drop is a popular e-learning interaction that can help the learner practically test or strengthen knowledge about a topic. In this example, the learner is presented with an image with 6 drop areas and 6 drag items. If they place all of the items in the correct areas, they get positive feedback. If not, they get negative feedback. They are allowed unlimited attempts to get it right. Let's dive right into the structure and functionality. The base text and image is already inserted into the slide, so let's start by creating the drag objects. The drag objects are simple circles, so click on the shape in the Insert tab and choose an oval. Set the size to 40 pixels in width and 40 pixels in height. Change the outline weight to 2 pixels. Then set the color of the outline to EA7706 and fill to white. Type in the number. Change text color to black, adjust font and font size. Rename it to Drag 1. Underneath the drag object is a placeholder. To create it, copy the oval and then change the outline and text color. Rename it to Drag 1 below, and make sure it is below the drag item in the timeline and in the page. Insert the text box and the explanation text. Place the text next to the drag item. Now select the 3 objects and create 5 copies. Adjust the placement of all objects. Don't forget to change the numbers in the drag and placeholder objects, as well as the object names in the timeline. Finally, adjust the explanation texts. Now let's create the drop areas. Copy one of the drag ovals. Change the fill to EA7706 and change the fill transparency to 60%. Then remove the number. Place it on the image according to the drag object explanations. For example, drop area 1 should be on the chimney, so place it there and rename it to Drop Zone 1. Then create 5 copies of this object, placing and renaming them based on the drag object explanations. Next step is setting up the drag and drop functionality. Go to the Insert tab and click on Convert to Free Form. Choose Drag and Drop and click OK. Set the drag items and the drop targets. Now when you go back to the slide view, you'll notice that Storyline has added 2 layers, correct and incorrect. Delete the default objects in both layers. In the correct layer, insert a rectangle that will be used as an overlay. Set the color to white, remove outline and set the transparency to 20%. And then place another rectangle on top. Remove the outline and change the fill to EA7706. Once you have done it, set the size to 580 times 280 pixels. And now let's also add in a feedback icon. Then insert two text boxes. Adjust the text formatting and insert the feedback text. Once you're ready, insert another rectangle. That's going to be the exit button. Set the size to 90 times 29 pixels. Adjust the normal, hover, and disabled states. Then add the action Exit Course that is triggered when the rectangle is clicked. Now copy and paste all of the objects from the correct feedback layer in the incorrect feedback layer. Replace the icon with the negative feedback icon and adjust the feedback text. Create a copy of the exit button and change the text in it to Try Again. Then change the action to Restart Course. This will reset the interaction in case the user wants to try it again. Finally, let's add in a Submit button in the base layer. Insert a rectangle and change the size to 72 times 29 pixels. Adjust the outline and fill color in all states. Change the text to Submit and format it to match the other buttons. Once you're ready, add the action Submit Drag and Drop Interaction. In the downloadable example, we are using the classic player, but let's choose the modern light theme here. Let's set the menus and controls to off. And now we can preview the interaction. As you can see, the drag and drop functionality is working as it should. That's it for this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. And don't forget to check out the free example that is linked in the description box. Thank you for watching.